At Crosby Station, James was taking a short mixed freight. He could not leave until Edward had arrived with his passenger train, who was running 25 minutes late. James was getting impatient and wanted to leave.
Where's Edward? He's supposed to be here on time, and now he's holding me up for the last 25 minutes.
Another 2 minutes passed before finally Edward arrived.
Late once again!
Oh, come off it, James. I got held up back there at the viaduct after a group of witnesses stopped us, reporting that they had saw something unusual and that it was on the same track as me.
Stuff and nonsense! Your so-called hold-up has made me late for almost half an hour! Now if you excuse me, I must be off.
And with that, James puffed crossly away with his train. For he had run low on it. The lever would not allow.
Open hand.
As the red engine waited, it started to rain lightly, but less than 6 minutes later, it poured down.
Just by luck. If Henry was here, he'd be complaining and wanting to hide in the tunnel again.
Just then, the air grew colder. James felt the drop in temperature, but then he started to hear someone or something nearby in the sidings.
Children.
Is someone there? Hello?
I like children. I like children.
Hey, cut it out! Whoever's in there, show yourself! I'm in no mood for fun and games!
Don't you see it? The time is near. The moment is closing in. The end is almost upon us.
James suddenly started to feel tense when he heard that voice. Then he saw an engine appearing from behind a long line of vans.
Oh my god! No way!
Can't you feel it? The pain, hatred, depression, and suffering. Don't you feel it? No. No, you don't. You can't understand it. Thomas tried to save me, yet he failed in doing so. Pass this on to him. His demise will come. Once he's gone, I'll get my vengeance. If you don't, you'll suffer your own demise by me.
It's the other way! He does exist! He's gonna get me! Help! Help!
James was so terrified that he refused to open his eyes. But he did though, when he saw that Timothy was no longer there, as did the rain and the cold temperature that had gone away at the same time.